Today, on Girls' Day, we at NetterVibration are opening our doors to students from the fields of warehouse logistics, workshop, and assembly. After a short company tour with insights into different departments, we quickly moved on to hands-on activities. In the warehouse and assembly areas, the students got to know our products. This showed how diverse technical professions are even in fields that are still predominantly carried out by men. In the practical part, the students worked hands-on. With support from our experts and based on a technical drawing, one of our mounting solutions was assembled. Components were screwed together, mounted, and supported with compressed air. Finally, the solution was tested and put into operation. We are excited to inspire young talent for technology and industry. More information about career and entry opportunities can be found on our careers page. NetterVibration. We move the world.